Your undo button? That's the command pattern. Stop calling methods directly. Wrap each action as an object with two methods, execute and undo, and suddenly you get undo, redo, queues, and macros for free. You already use it, every Redux action, every job queue, every Control-Z. Stay for that. JS Patterns. Episode 10. Here's the problem. You call the receiver directly, editor.delete, document.save, API.send. The caller is welded to the concrete method, and the moment the call returns, the action is gone. Want to undo it? Queue it? Log it? Replay it? You can't. There's no object to hold, no value to reverse. It happened, and it vanished. The command pattern fixes it. Wrap each request as an object with two methods, execute and undo. Now the action is a thing, a value you can store, pass around, queue, and reverse. The invoker that runs it doesn't know or care what it does. It just calls execute and later undo. Here's a command. AddText is a function that returns an object. Execute appends the text to the document. Undo slices it right back off. The receiver and the arguments are captured in a closure. Then an invoker keeps a history stack. Run pushes the command and calls execute. Undo pops it and calls undo. Want redo? Keep a second stack. That is the entire undo system. And one interface scales to everything. A macro is just an array of commands. Execute them in order, undo them in reverse. A job queue is commands you run later. A remote command serializes to JSON and runs on a server. Same two methods, execute and undo, unlock all of it. But there's a cost. Every command needs a paired, correct undo, and that is exactly where the bugs live. A half-reversed command quietly corrupts your state. You're also allocating an object for every action. In a tight hot loop, that adds up. And not everything is reversible. You can't unsend an email. Command shines for editors and tools, not every function call. And the payoff? You already use this everywhere. Redux actions are commands. Dispatch is the invoker. The reducer is the receiver. Git commits, database migrations with up and down, message queues, the classic gang of for example. The test, if you can execute it, store it, and reverse it, it's a command. So stop firing methods into the void. Wrap the request as an object with execute and undo, and you get undo, redo, queues, and macros, all for free. Beyond Code Karma. See you in the next pattern.